Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a ECM espresso machine with us in the shop. And this is a heat exchanger E61 espresso machine from ECM. Heat exchanger meaning there's only one boiler, but you're able to do both functions at the same time, which is steaming and brewing. Typically, you can't do hot water and brew because you only have one water pump in it. But what we did to this machine was was brought in by the customer because the machine wasn't wanting to heat up properly. It takes super long, plus it wouldn't even get hot enough to start brewing. And so what happened was you're overheating quite a bit. When I got the machine, turned it on for the first time, that thing was going way past where it should. And I tried adjusting this, but it wouldn't actually adjust at all. And so I replaced it completely, and when I took it off, you could see definitely there's a bunch of scale in there. Inside of there is supposed to look like the outside, but that's just pure scale. And so just needed a replacement, so I replaced it with a brand new one. As you can see, we're up to temp, and every single time I've turned it on or tested it, we've been up to temp, and it acts normally. After that, we did do a tune-up on the machine, which is descaling that boiler and your heat exchanger, because there's a separate pipe that for the heat exchanger and all the coffee. Descale both your hot water and your steam one, and we did a lot of back flushing to clean the valve from here to here. And so now we're going to put this in there. We did put brand new gaskets on the group head, and now we are going to test by running this. It might run a little loose because the coffee in there is pretty porous, but we're just wanting to see water run pretty much. Oh, we actually got up to 10. So get up to your 9 bars. So that's looking normal. And again, at the same time, you can steam on. As you can see. That's just typical for a heat exchanger. It's a really good price point that you get both functionalities, which is really cool. And we're going to move this to the side, and we're just going to hit the hot water into the drip tray. Or try to. Actually, I'll just use this. And yeah, it's running well. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.